Y'all, they got curry shrimp right there, yo. I'm flabbergasted. I'm at all. I'm perplexed. It's amazing. I got the curry oxtail. Yo, we headed over to Throg's next bridge. We on the way to Queens. Queens. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are in Queens, New York, man. And the reason we're here is because Glocky Picasso wanted me to check out Cuts and Slices. He said, check out either Queens or the spot in Brooklyn. So we're in Queens, New York. Wanted to venture out, man, from Newark, New Jersey. It's right there behind me, man, Cuts and Slices. Let's go over here and see what they got, man. See if they got good pizza. Should we get a cut too? Does that mean it's a barber shop, Cuts and Slices? Look, man, I got my protection with me, man. Baby boy's over there. Zach, give it up for Zach. Ready? We gonna go check out Cuts and Slices. Let's check it out, y'all. Check it out. Check it out. They got little stores along here. I don't know what section of Queens this is. Got fruit. I think they opened at 12. Got some nice fruit out here. How you doing, bro? All right. What part of Queens is this?
This is Kimberly Ice.
Okay, nice. Thank you. You been to Cuts and Slices? It's good? All right, well, that's where we going, man. We going to Cuts and Slices. This is a long line already, bro. You gonna get the door for me? Thanks, man. You a gentleman and a scholar. Thank you very much. Yo, the line is already kicking, yo.
Chicken and turkey. Yes.
I'm gonna get the curry oxtail. We just leaving with it, y'all. That's it. We gonna pull it out in the car. Zach's holding the pizza. I got the oxtail pizza. I got the curry oxtail. What'd you get?
Chicken and turkey bacon.
He got the chicken and turkey bacon. So let's go check it out, man. It's rainy, y'all. We gotta get in the car. That's it right there, y'all. That's that pizza right there. That's Zach. Zach got the chicken, turkey, bacon. And I got the curry oxtail. They came $28, y'all, for both of those slices. They are small slices from what I'm seeing. $28. And then for those always be like, why you ain't leave a tip? Why you ain't leave a tip? Watching all my videos ain't leave. Now let me stop. We did leave a tip. So it came to like $32 total for 2 slices of pizza and the water. Let's check it out. You know, I didn't hear Zach say nothing yet. Oh, I feel the pizza. The dough feels really nice. It's crispy on the bottom. That right there is really fluffy crust. Let's check this out, man. Let's give it just a little small curl on it. Check this out, man. That's that oxtail, curry oxtail pizza. All right, curry. Let's eat, man, before my pizza gets cold. My son over there, he looking at me. Let's check it out, man. Is there a layer of cheese under there? Is a layer of cheese underneath? I feel it's like hot spices in there. The oxtail is very flavorful. The bread is delicious. Curry oxtail, I feel the hot flavors hitting the top of the roof of my mouth. Yo, Okay, it's official. It's official, y'all. That's good. What you think? Oh, Zach ate all his. I'm gonna ask him what he think. What you think, man?
It's good.
It's really good. What you get? A
Yes.
scale of 1 to 10.
Like 9.5.
Zach gives it a 9.5, man. Y'all saw his pizza. He's at the crust right now. Wow. And the meat is tender too. Wow. Once again, thanks to Glocky Picasso for suggesting this spot. This is good, man. I like the crunch in that pizza dough too. Look, the spot had just opened. There were mad people in there already. Y'all saw the video. I need a toothpick now. I've never eaten a slice of pizza where I need a toothpick. Wow. I'm getting down to it, y'all. I just want to taste this bread. This is amazing, y'all. We're here in Queens. I'll put the address up right here at Cuts and Slices. This is about, even though New York City, oh my goodness, the spices are kicking. Even though New York City is only 11 miles from my house, and I can get to New York in about, on the train, 20 minutes tops. This section of Queens is actually like off of Long Island, is an hour away from my house. So we drove an hour to get here. I need a whole pie like this. You still hungry, aren't you? He nodded yes, y'all. Okay. I just want to bite into this bread alone, and then we're going to end the video. Look at them big bites I got out of there. The bread is good, but it tastes different than traditional pizza bread. A little bit. This bread tastes a little sweeter to me. So I wonder if I'm right, if it's different. Look at the size of it, the side of it. See how it the little holes are? But this piece right here was really fluffy, man. It almost felt hollow, but it's not hollow. That's how fluffy and fresh it is. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. But you hanging with the right cat now. I love you cats, man. Thanks for liking and subscribing. If you're watching this video and didn't like and subscribe, please hit the, I'm sorry, let me use this hand. Please hit the subscribe button, like the video. Also, feel free to comment. Looking forward to seeing you guys at the next one. Peace. No, I'm sorry. Looking forward to see you guys at the next one. Not peace, but peace. I was kind of slow with that one. When I said looking forward to seeing you guys at the next one, I should have been pointing then and then came into the peace sign. Peace. I'm trying to savor it now. Uh-oh. I got a piece of bone in that one, y'all. See that bone? Hold up. At the end of the video, I'm almost down to the last piece, but I can understand getting a little piece of bone in. It's like crab meat. That oxtail is real intricate, man. It has them different bones all around it. I gotta go, y'all. I really do.
Hand me? Oh, these are my waters. I didn't have enough water.